Where does rain come from? And where does it go? The water on Earth is always traveling in a super cool trip called the water cycle. Let's learn how it works in 3 minutes. Ready? Water is always moving on Earth. It travels from the ground to the air and back again in a continuous process called the water cycle. This cycle helps provide water for plants, animals, and humans. It also affects weather and climate. In this lesson, we will explore how the water cycle works and why it is important. What are the processes and steps of the water cycle? The first process is evaporation. Evaporation occurs when the sun heats water on Earth's surface, causing it to change into water vapor. Transpiration happens when plants release water vapor from their leaves. Both processes help move water from the land and water bodies into the atmosphere. The second process is condensation. As water vapor rises higher into the atmosphere, the temperature becomes cooler. This causes the water vapor to change back into tiny droplets of liquid water. These droplets gather around small particles in the air, such as dust, and combine to form clouds. As more droplets join together, the clouds grow larger and thicker. The third process is precipitation. When the water droplets in clouds become too large and heavy to stay suspended in the air, they fall back to Earth as precipitation. This can occur as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature of the air. Precipitation returns water from the atmosphere to the land and oceans. The first step is runoff. Not all water that falls as precipitation soaks into the ground. Some of it flows over the surface of the land as surface runoff. This water moves downhill into streams, rivers, lakes, and eventually the oceans. Runoff plays an important role in moving water across the Earth's surface. The second step is collection. Water collects in large bodies such as oceans, lakes, and rivers, where it is stored. From these bodies of water, the sun heats the water again, causing evaporation to occur and restarting the cycle. This continuous movement of water helps maintain balance in the environment. What is the role of the water cycle in the environment? Supports plant growth. Water from the cycle helps plants grow by providing the moisture they need. Plants also release water vapor into the air through a process called transpiration, which is part of the cycle. Regulates weather and climate. The movement of water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation affects weather patterns. It helps control temperature and plays an important role in Earth's climate system. Cleans and recycles water. As water moves through the cycle, it is naturally filtered and cleaned. This helps maintain the quality of water in the environment and supports life on Earth.